Hello all, here I would like to show you how to integrate Raptivity with Lectora. It is simple and my step-by-step explanation will make it all the more simple for you. To start with, let me select an interaction model from Raptivity. Okay, here I go and select the $1 Million Quiz interaction model from Raptivity Game Server Pack. You can customize the interactivity as you require, but to make it simple, let me continue with this. So I'm not making any changes to this interaction model. I just select the option save and save it under my desktop as million. So the interactivity has been saved now, and to use it in Lectora I need to publish it as a single flash file. So I select the option publish from the toolbar, or I can select the same option from file and publish. Raptivity provides different publishing options, such as a publish as a single flash file, publish as multiple file output, publish with mobile output. I select the option publish as a single flash file. So to integrate any Raptivity interactivity with Lectora, make sure you use the first option, which is publish as a single flash file, because sometimes managing multiple files while integrating in Lectora become troublesome. So I select the option publish. It says the interactivity has been published successfully. We can click on yes to see the final output. So let me show you the folder structure, which will give us a better idea exactly how Raptivity is saving the interactivities and the published output. So I had saved that interactivity as million under my desktop, and it has a published folder. Whenever Raptivity interactivity is published with any of the options that I mentioned a few minutes back, is going to create a published folder, and it will have the specific published folder under that. So the interactivity I published as a single flash file, so it had created a sf1_publish folder, and it has that SWF file, which is $1 million SWF, as a final output of Raptivity. Let's see how we can integrate this with Lectora now. So I open Lectora. So here you can use any blank template, or if you want to use any customized template, you can use that. So I'm selecting a blank template now and putting a name as Raptivity with Lectora. Click OK. So that particular blank project has been saved now. And if you look at the left hand side, it has the page name, so I can put some page name here, say Raptivity on the first slide. So to add any flash file, you need to select the option add and go to object and select the option animation. So Raptivity generated flash files are same as any other flash file you create using any other flash development tool or any other interactivity tool. So there is no difference. So I am putting a name for that animation, say Raptivity file, and I can import it from media library or from a file. So I go to my desktop where I had saved that interactivity, the folder million, opening that publish folder and sf1_publish, and selecting that million.swf, which is the final output of that particular interactivity, and I click on open. So there are a couple of options available there. No need to make any specific changes there. You can keep it as it is. Let me save and publish it now so that we can see the final output of Lectora with that Raptivity interactivity. So I go to file, or I can go to publish, and there are multiple options here, like publish to single file executable. We can publish to CD-ROM or publish to HTML. So I'm selecting the option publish to HTML now. So it gives this message here, and just select publish. So I can choose a different folder, or I can save it under the same folder. So by default it's going to save under the same folder where I had saved that Lectora project. No need to change any of the stuff here, and just click on OK. So this says the publishing has been done, so I can click on preview to see that, or I can just click on done. And now if I go back to the folder where I had saved that Lectora project and open that publish folder, which is the HTML folder, it will have that index.html, which is the final output file of Lectora project. Let me just open it now. Let me allow the content. So now it shows that $1 million interactivity from Raptivity as a part of this Lectora project. All the behavior of this particular interactivity remains same as before. You can use the same process to integrate multiple interactivities from Raptivity in your Lectora projects. Hope you have find this integration video useful. For any further queries, you can write to us at support@raptivity.com, and it is our pleasure to help you and resolve all your queries. Thank you very much.